Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can play Roblox on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library, where you're gonna find all of your installed applications and also games. Here, as you can see guys, if you go back, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus, PlayStation Store, and here in the top, you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, your profile icon. So right now, if you want to play Roblox on the PlayStation 5, firstly you have to download it. Just go ahead and click on PlayStation Store, and then once you click on PlayStation Store, right here you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find recent release, collections, sales, subscriptions, and here you're gonna find browse. Here in the right, as you can see guys, you're gonna find search, wishlist, here you're gonna find your cart, and lastly here you're gonna find some more options. So right now, go ahead and click on search, and then just go ahead and click right here, and then type Roblox. Once you do that, as you can see guys, just click on done or click on R2 on your controller, then click on it and then go ahead and download it. So once you download the game, once you click on download, just wait for it to finish downloading. And then once the game finishes downloading, you're gonna find it here in the home page. Then just go ahead and click on it to open the game. So as you can see guys, right now Roblox is loading, and once finished loading, as you can see guys, you're gonna be here inside of the game. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.